Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now that the 63 rag is home, I figure it's time we get cracking on it. And to do that, I think we need a body dolly. When it was out at the shop, I stole Jay's. He lent it out, and now it's here, so I need one for my own. So I had a buddy measure his, went online, did some research, and his matched pretty closely to the one VW Life made. So I'm going to use their plans as a general guide for mine. So here's the plans, and obviously you can see it on their channel. They have a really great build showing everything you need to do. So I'm not going to go through too much of that. I mean, you're obviously going to see me build it and stuff, but if you want to see them build it, go check them out. So we've got some 2x4s. 3 of them are ones I had in the backyard, so they look a little ragged, but they're still good. 2 2x6s. Mine are by 8. I was just going to get a 12 and have them cut in half, but they didn't have a saw guy there, and my Volvo does not hold a 12-foot 2x6. 4 casters, some screws and bolts. So let's get going. So first things first, we're going to have to cut 2 of the 2x4s to 64 inches. So let's do that. So let's start off here, 64 inches. Cut it up straight. Alright, next up we're going to cut 4 24-inch sections. We're going to use these offcuts for that. Another 2x4. Be moving right along. Alright, so now we're going to cut 2 feet off of these 2x6s. And I think then we can start the basic assembly. Other than I still have to cut little angled brackets from the rest of these 2x4s. Shouldn't be too hard though. So it's dark, power tools again. Can't find the speed square, so I can't make the angle thing just yet. It needs them, so it's definitely wobbly. But I'm getting these lag bolts running for the casters. The drill starts them, but I've got an adapter in it, but it's not enough to send them through. So I'll just do it by hand. Casters are generally centered, centered enough to what this is, not going down the road or anything. Alright guys, so we're making some pretty good progress. It's generally assembled. I've got 2 more 2x4s, some angles down there that we're going to put in. It'll be pretty good. I'm deviating from the plans because I can't take cutting so many angles with just a skill saw and a speed square. So I'm going to set you up and we're going to assemble. Alright, here's what we're doing. We're going to put this like in the middle. So I think that'll be 25 and a half, 12 and 3/4. Almost dead on 12 and 3/4. I want it down more, like to that 12 and 3/4, because right now it's about a foot underneath and 10 inches on the top, which is probably not bad actually. Let me do that, a foot on the bottom. Alright guys, so we got it built. Pretty happy with it. Did the angled things. I did one on all the outside, and then this is a 2x4 that I strung between them to pull them together. Should be 52 inches, which is good for a Beetle. I don't know if it also works for like a Carmen Ghia or stuff. I would like a Carmen Ghia, so this could be useful. This is like something that I'm going to keep for a while, I would say. I'm never going to not be restoring Volkswagens, so this is like a keep tool. I might even paint it one day when it's not soaking wet because it got wet. That's why it's in the garage now, because I wasn't going to work in the rain. But anyway, it's built, it's sturdy. I can push on it. That was a leaf. Do not think that was it cracking. Someone will say it. But if I sit on it, it's fine. Feet are off the ground, so you can't say it's not holding my weight. I don't weigh as much as a Volkswagen, but you know, it's a test. So I'm pretty happy with it. I discovered that the impact driver was much better to put the screws in than a regular drill. I'm not a carpenter, so if that's the right way to do it, I don't know, but it worked for me, so I'm going with it. But anyway, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Maybe in the next one you'll see it going on this. I'm going to have to try and get Avery down here or something, see if he'll actually come by and give me a hand, get that on there, and we can start cracking on. I'm going to place an order at the end of the week for some parts. Not too expensive of an order, but a few parts that I can crack on with and get rolling. So until next time, guys, take care, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.